So the other day, I was trying to install these little hooks right here that go in your trunk. And now Subi Speed sells these on their website, um, and they work. They're marketed as a 2015 plus WXSTI truck hook. So I go to the Subaru dealership. I order two. These are the numbers right here. The product number, the F551SAL100. So what you get inside of the box is obviously your hook. You get a bolt, a washer, and this, I forget what you call them. But basically it's like a little rubber expansion nut kind of. So it goes inside the hook and then you screw it in and it goes in a hole, and as you tighten down it expands. And basically that creates a tight seal to where the hook doesn't come out. Well, that's great, except it's meant for a legacy, and the hole that this has to go in is too big for an STI. Basically in the box, this is what you get, and some plastic, okay? So this that I was showing you has to go in one of these holes, and as you can see, way too big. Every single hole is just way too big, all of them, okay? But basically I got these from work. They're just too big. They can't really fit in the hole, and I don't want to scratch the paint all up. Like, they just don't go. So I was going around and I found these toggle bolts. They're more meant for like your home renovation kind of thing with drywall, but I think it'll work. It goes into the hole, gets squished, gets up in the hole, expands, and then you tighten it down, it locks. I think this will work. Take your hook, take two of those, two of these. I'm going to take the washers that were included with the kits. Basically, screws on like so. Washer, put it in the hole. So basically when you put it in, it has to go up like this, and then when you push it in, it closes, and when it's in the hole, it expands like that. So I'll try to see if I can get a good angle for you guys for this. I'm gonna go with the hole here and right here, so not the first two. You'll see your liner, your trunk liner that comes up. There's a bigger hole and then two small ones, and then another one that's a little bit further away. I'm gonna go with the two ones further away just because there's a little overlap of metal. I don't really like it with that hole. Just gonna squeeze. Go up. There's one, there's two. Now, you can tighten them. You know what? I got an idea. Now, obviously, you can use your at home. You might not have all these tools, so you can use a screwdriver, and that does the job. But I got an impact, so we'll impact it. Now, I'm just gonna do it tight. I'm not gonna go ham on it. Just, you know, just two. I don't wanna destroy the paint and then it rusts. That's about to it. No. It's a little tight, so I'm going to loosen them up. Okay, so it's loose. Okay, there you go. You got a nice hook for your groceries. I'll have to see if I could tighten that a little bit. I mean, this is not bad. I don't think it'll come down in the car from driving around, but it'd be nice if it was a little tighter. So you go to a show, you pop it up. When you get groceries, you pull it down, you put your groceries on it. It doesn't slide everywhere around. Your hard lines are protected. I think this is a great mod. I think it's great for anyone. I think if you have a bake setup and you have hard lines, it's a great mod. It's kind of needed in my honest opinion. It's really cheap. I picked these up for both, I think 31 Canadian. With taxes, it came just, I think $71, $72, maybe $3. Great mod. You can get it at your local dealership. It's very easy to do, and I think it's great, honestly. Like, a lot of people that own these cars, it's their daily. It's my daily for the summer. For the winter, I have my other car that I'm working on. But can't beat it. I think it's great. It's kind of a dad mod in my opinion. But I think it's pretty sweet. And when you're done, you push it up. It's hidden. It's gone. I think it's great. No complaints. Only thing is I wish they made this for the STI just so you don't have to go out of your way and get proper mounting hardware. It does say max load of 25. I'm sure it could take more, but you know, just don't overload it. There's no point. And you could do as many as you want. You don't have to just do 2. You don't have to do, you can do 1, you can do 2, 3, 4, 5. You can do as many as you want. It just matters how many holes you got. Obviously, if you don't have holes, you can't do it. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead, throw the other one in, and call it a day. Okay, there you go. Very easy mod. Took me what, not even 5 minutes per. So if you could do 2 of these in 10 minutes, I think it's great. Honestly, you could probably do it in the parking lot if you had a Legacy. Everything's there. All the tools you need are there. The size I use for this. Oh, right here. 3/16 to 2 inches. I don't know. Holds up to 70 pounds. This is even stronger than the hooks. So you shouldn't have any issues. Very easy. Honestly, when I went to Subaru for this, they had no idea what I was talking about. I had to go to my trunk and explain what I wanted. They thought I wanted a net. I said, no, I don't want that. I want something a little more nicer, a little sleek, something that just, hides away. The net's there. It's ugly. I've never liked them, and stuff still moves around. So I think for the money, it's a great mod. It's a great dad mod, like I said. And I guess I'm going to close it out. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like. If you have a question, comment. And as always, feel free to subscribe. And take it easy.